Every morning, without fail, I take out a small spoonful of chia seeds from the jar in my kitchen. It's become a ritual, a habit that I've grown accustomed to over time. One spoonful of these tiny black seeds holds so much potential, so much promise for the day ahead. I first learned about the benefits of chia seeds from a health magazine I stumbled upon at the doctor's office. They were described as a superfood, packed with nutrients and antioxidants that could do wonders for the body. Intrigued, I decided to give them a try, starting with just one spoonful a day. As I sprinkle the chia seeds over my morning yogurt or oatmeal, I can't help but marvel at their simplicity. They may be small, but they are mighty. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition containing omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and various vitamins and minerals. I remember the first time I tried chia seeds. The texture was a bit strange at first, as they absorb liquid and form a gel-like coating around them. But as I got used to it, I began to appreciate the unique crunch they added to my breakfast. Over time, I started noticing subtle changes in my body. My energy levels seemed more stable throughout the day, and I felt fuller for longer after eating my morning chia seed concoction. I even noticed an improvement in my digestion, which had always been a bit finicky. As the days turned into weeks and then months, my one spoonful of chia seeds became a non-negotiable part of my morning routine. It was a small act of self-care, a way of nourishing my body and setting a positive tone for the day ahead. Sometimes, when life gets busy and chaotic, I find solace in the simplicity of that one spoonful of chia seeds. It's a moment of quiet amidst the noise, a reminder to slow down and take care of myself. I've come to appreciate the mindfulness that comes with this daily ritual. As I carefully measure out the chia seeds each morning, I am reminded to be present in the moment, to savor the simple pleasures of life. There are days when I wonder if one spoonful of chia seeds can really make a difference. But then I remember the cumulative effect of small, consistent actions over time. It's not about instant results or dramatic transformations. It's about the slow and steady progress towards a healthier, happier me. I've shared my love for chia seeds with friends and family, encouraging them to give it a try. Some have embraced the habit, while others remain skeptical. And that's okay. We all have our own paths to wellness, our own ways of taking care of ourselves. As I reach for the jar of chia seeds each morning, I am filled with gratitude for the simple pleasures in life. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of everyday life, but sometimes all it takes is one spoonful of chia seeds to bring me back to center. I like to think of my daily dose of chia seeds as a symbol of resilience and growth. Just like these tiny seeds, I am constantly evolving and adapting to the challenges that come my way. And just like these seeds, I have the potential to flourish and thrive in the right conditions. So, as I finish my breakfast and start my day, I carry with me the knowledge that one spoonful of chia seeds is more than just a nutritious snack. It's a reminder of the power of small actions, the importance of self-care, and the beauty of simplicity in a complex world.